Hey everyone, it's Sean. I'm at the Wyoming Capitol building, also known as the People's House. And thinking about that, the People's House, and what the people think and what the people want, it compelled me to sit in this little corner of the People's House and do a quick video. And I wanted to share what's going on because it's very important that parents hear this message, and that those that are about to make very big decisions involving our children's health, that they know that there were people like me that saw this coming, that we warned you and said to be safe, and you proceeded in the name of all this fear, in the name of all this profit that's on the table, and then put our children at risk and in harm's way. And that issue, everyone, is what's going on right now. This is happening right now on February 15th in a couple of days. And that is that the Vaccines and Related Biological Products Advisory Committee, this is an FDA committee of 30 doctors and PhDs, is meeting to authorize emergency use authorization for the Pfizer vaccine for children 0 to 5. It's basically already been decided, everyone. Pfizer has said it's nearly certain, and many of these experts on this committee, they have ties to vaccine companies. They work for vaccine companies. They're in ivory towers of academia, and this is foregone conclusion. There's so many conflict of interest that we know they're going to pass this. But this video is to urge them to reconsider before they do, to put safety first. We do not know that the Pfizer vaccine is safe for children in this category. We do not know. What we do know is that children, 99.995% of children survive COVID. They don't get sick and die. The mortality rate is ridiculously low for children. They are not at risk. And yet we're going to give them a vaccine where there have been safety trials done by the very company, Pfizer, that will profit with its success. It doesn't make any sense, anyone. The incentives are completely aligned to just push this through and not do what is safe. And get this, there's no liability for Pfizer. There's no liability if anything happens to kids. So we're here, speaking out as a palliative parent to say, please do what is safe. And we're sending their red letters as parents, asking the members of this committee to please be safe, to reconsider just giving this a blanket emergency use authorization, and realize that there are parents that are watching. There are concerned Americans that think we should be taking a little bit more time before we start giving children this vaccine, especially children like my son, Atlas, who has a terminal brain disease and is medically fragile, medically complex, neurologically complicated. He'll be given this vaccine within weeks of emergency use authorization. I know he will, because it'll be on the CDC schedule for children. And it won't matter that he survived COVID. It won't matter that he recovered, that he has natural immunity. Once it hits the CDC schedule, everyone, there's going to be recommendations all across this country for kids to have this. And this idea of safety is going to be trampled upon. So I want people watching this to know that this is the issue. This is the time, February 15th. These are the people. The 30 people on this committee are the ones making the decision about our children's health. And we're asking them to please vote no, to please think about the safety concerns and the risks and give this more time. Please do more testing, and please think about our children before you give this vaccine emergency use authorization. Thanks.